Before we begin, let me first introduce myself. I am Vocab Man. I will share some new and improved English words, with their meaning and correct pronunciation, which might one day help you in your school, college, or corporate life. Let us begin. Word of the day is abase. Abase. Definition of abase: cause to feel shame, hurt the pride of someone. To abase something or someone is to humiliate them. If you abase another person, you are bringing them low, humbling them in a mean, base manner. Origin: the early Latin basis, which meant thick, low, evolved into the Old French abaisseur, meaning to make lower in value or status. The important clue to the word is base. Consider that the base of anything is the bottom, and you get an idea as to the meaning of the word abase, which means to make someone feel low. Example 1. Don't abase your cousin by making fun of his accent. Example 2. Matthew would abase others in an attempt to elevate himself. Word family: abase, abased, abasement. Synonyms: chargeon, mortify, humiliate, demean. Antonyms: compliment, praise, cherish, enhance. Thanks for watching. If you find the video informative, please like and subscribe for a daily dose of new words.